Soho, 25 yards from goal. Good passing from Hayes and Mothersille. Here's Hayes, right side, cuts the ball back to Mothersille! He gets his goal! The shirt comes off in celebration and the ref there.
Malik Mothersille set to become one of the most expensive transfers in League One's history. So, Charlton Athletic and QPR are at the heels of Peterborough for the signature of Malik Mothersille. But as it stands right now, Queen Park Rangers are leading the race. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Let's get the likes up for this one, as the young Reggae Boy, set to smash the League One. Well, not smash the League One transfer. He's going to become one of the most expensive League One transfers. And let me make it clear from now, it's not a lot of money in regards to the EPL, but in the League One, it's huge money. Huge money. Let me know. All right, so big up on yourself, people. As I say, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. QPR back to sign 12-goal Peterborough United star for £1 million. He could be the real deal. That's what they quoted. He could be the real deal. Highly rated. Now let me tell you, this transfer is a huge one. £1 million. I saw small because you guys are used to the EPL transfer fee and this. No, this is League One. These clubs, they don't have money just throw around like that. But it's not a League One club by QPR in the Championship. These are League One players, and normally if you see a League One player left for this fee, he is highly rated. Let's get into the article. According to Football League World, because they don't know so down at the level, so these are the articles, these are the journalists who cover at that part of it. QPR been back to beat Charlton Athletic to the signing of Peterborough United starlet Malik Mothersille this summer. And there's worry from the Peterborough support base because photos came out, training photos came out, pre-season photos came out, and there was no Malik Mothersille in those pre-season photos, and that sent the Twitter space for Peterborough in a hiffy. Anyway, the R's will be looking to build upon last season's 15th place finish in the Championship and progress up the table under Julian Sepen, who poised to take over as Marty successor at Loftus Road. QPR are yet to make a signing this summer amid the extensive managerial saga in West London, although that has not prevented them from running the rule over potential targets, and their efforts will only accelerate as Stefan gets his feet under the table. As exclusively revealed by FLW earlier this week, QPR and freshly promoted Charlton Athletic are both interested in Mothersille, who enjoyed an impressive 2024-2025 campaign with Peterborough in League One. The versatile 21-year-old attacker, who is out of contract at London Road next summer, found the back of the net 12 occasions in League One and returning an eye-catching return of 16 goals and 10 assists from 57 appearances. So that's 26 goal contribution in 57 appearances, which is significant. Malik Mothersille, this is his numbers for League One: 45 appearances, 12 goal, 9 assists. So that's a 12 goal, 20 plus goal contribution for League One in a 45 game. EFL Trophy, 8 appearances, 4 goals, 1 assist. FA Cup, 3 appearances, no goal, no assist. EFL Cup, 1 appearances, 0-0. Total 16 goal contribution, 26 goal contribution in 57 games. Mothersille is familiar with the West London after rising through the Chelsea youth ranks prior to his arrival at Peterborough in September 2023. And QPR have been back to seal a deal for an exciting one-cap Jamaica international this summer. QPR back to beat Charlton Athletic to the Peterborough United Malik Mothersille, according to most of the journalists, because they said that a lot of the agreement have been set in place between both player and club, specifically for the transfer sum that QPR offer. So let's discuss a little bit about Malik Mothersille. This is what one of the pundits, as I say, on Mothersille. I think Peterborough have had quite a few talented players who have made a step up to the championship over the past years. With him being only 21, he looks the real deal, a real talent. He has the experience of coming through the youth academy of Chelsea. I've been looking at his highlights. He looks pretty pacey. We have lacked a lot of pace in the recent years. He looks tricky like a real winger, and you could be confident in his ability to step up for championship football. It's still, though, not the finished article, but with the history and track record of QPR for developing talents, it's a choice between them and Charlton, and surely QPR will get the favorite because QPR, they have been a more predominant team in the English space. Peterborough may have to cash in on Malik Mothersille because of the contract situation. Mothersille's future with Peterborough remains up in the air. As aforementioned, he has just 12 months to run on his current contract, and a push would be wise to avoid the risk of potentially losing him for free to mainland or Europe next summer with minimal compensation available, and that would make no sense. So cash in now. Clubs are, of course, compensated for the departures of players aged 24 and under at the expiration of their contract, although they are only entitled to the healthy compensation figures when the players join the domestic club. So they won't see quite a lot of money, and that they're not got a chance that. I don't think they're not got a chance that at all. All right, so let me continue. Peterborough were stung by the recent exit of Ricky J. Jones, who had an interest across the championship, but ultimately decided to join Bundesliga outfit St. Pauli earlier this month. They could yet suffer a similar fate with the in-demand winger Kwame Poku. Anyways, let me see. But as I said, this is a good move. This is a good move, a very, very good move for Mothersille. You could see Mothersille moving away from League One football to the championship, and if he does well in championship, a next step to the Premier League. And at just 21, the sky is the limit for him, I would have to say. So this is quite an interesting one. There's further information or further update on this one, so look out for more update on this one, and we'll see how it materializes. But QPR at this present moment are the team that technically confirm on negotiation, also confirm discussions in regards to player fee. So a lot of things have been already agreed. It's just for it to go over the line right now. So let's see this one materialize. So this is another player like John Russell stepping up from the League One settings to the championship, and then we'll see how they can materialize or mature going further from here. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Outside. Because of what? Outside.